friends as well. With each misadventure they're put to the test. Working together is what they do best. Helping their family and friends, that's the start. They make a great team as they each do their part. It's Maya and Miguel. What they will do.
An avenue. Welcome to the auditions for the junior ballet. Or when you're thinking one thing and the other person had a totally different thing in mind. Like when Maggie cooked a whole turkey instead of doing a report about Turkey, the country. Oh well, everyone makes mistakes. But the worst time was with Chrissy's new cat.
Like this, Chico Santos. A real phenom. Soon to go pro.
No hay ningún problema, Teresa. Cierto, Miguel.
Cuidado. Sorry, Paco.
I'd be delighted to take Tito. Por supuesto, Miguel, you can become famous outside Superstar. Adios, Teresa.
Nice footwork, Mama.
Gracias. Mamá, Maya, ¿dónde está Maya?
Coming! These are going to be the best buñuelos ever!
Maya, Miguel, your tia Teresa has to work and asked me to take Tito to the birthday party in the courtyard. So, Mama, can you look after these two for a few hours?
It'll be 2 times the fun. Mis dos angelitos.
Ah, angelitos. Angels? Ah.
Muchas gracias. Oh, I almost forgot. The landlord, Señor Gutierrez, is coming by to fix the faucet. Gracias, Chrissy. Adios, everyone.
Adios. Hola, everyone.
Hola, Theo!
Okay, everyone, who wants to come in the kitchen and try my buñuelos, eh?
Buñuelos.
I do!
Me.
Oh, be careful. They're still quite hot.
Yo-Yo, you want to try some? Yo-Yo? Yo-Yo?
Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo.
Here, kitty!
Hello, everybody. The front door is open.
Ah, the door's open. La puerta está abierta.
My cat! He's gone!
Don't worry, Chrissy. We will find Yo-Yo. I promise you. Abuelita, is it all right if we go downstairs to look for the cat?
See, go ahead.
Let's go look, everyone. Vámonos.
Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo.
Maya, this isn't working. Listen, Chrissy, we're going to find him. All we need is un plan.
Oh, please, Maya. Not a plan. Guitar lessons? What do,
We'll make posters.
Gato perdido.
Okay, I'll look.
Let's rewind that for a second.
Un pato perdido.
Un pato perdido. Ha, how unusual.
Sí, un pato perdido. See, Maggie didn't know that pato means something different from gato. Gato means cat, but pato means a duck. Where did you come from?
How could someone think this was ours? The sign says Lost Cat. I even told people in Spanish, Lost Pato. Pato?
That means duck.
But I even asked you, Maya, and you said it was Pato.
I was so busy talking I didn't listen carefully. I'm so sorry. Yeesh. First we lose a cat, now we find a duck.
This duck has total attitude.
Oh, Theo, he's a sweetheart. He's lost, that's all. We just need to find his owner.
But what about my yo-yo?
We'll find him too, I promise. We'll return the duck to its owner and find your sweet little cat. Trust me, have I ever messed up? Okay, wait, don't answer that.
Maya, maybe we should leave the duck where we found him.
We can't abandon him. He's scared and all alone. He needs food and shelter and lots of love. Poor, sweet, gentle ducky wucky lost in the big city.
The dog wants to make friends. Good dog. Qué buen perro.
Don't go on the loose!
Come on, everyone. Don't just stand around. Please get him.
Got you! This way!
Where could he have gone?
Maybe he's with Yo-Yo.
That was awesome. The duck ate the whole watermelon in 10 seconds.
Come back, Doc.
Sorry about the watermelon, but he's not our dog.
He just got scared. He's not used to the big city.
Wait, I think he might be afraid of the dog.
El perro? ¿Dónde? Where?
Look, a dog!
Huh?
There he is!
That way!
Help! Wild duck! You kids shouldn't let a duck like that run loose. It could hurt someone.
Yes, we're very sorry.
You need to take that beast home or I'll call the authorities.
Pobre Pato, poor ducky. You're safe with Maya now.
So what do we do now?
No hay problema. We'll take the duck to Papi at the pet store, and then we'll keep looking for Yo-Yo.
Just one problem with that idea. That lady with the begonias on her head is in there.
Hey, look, how about we drop the duck off at the park where there's the pond, all right? I mean, there might be some more duckies there.
We can't abandon it. It needs us. All we need to do is return the pato and find the gato.
But we don't even know who owns the duck.
Tengo una idea. You guys stay here with the duck, and I'll go upstairs and ask Abuela what we should do.
You want us to stay here with this beast? Oh! That's a duck. That's a nice ducky. Easy now. Come back! Maya, the duck!
You're not supposed to be here.
That is one seriously bad duck.
Okay, I'll take the next one.
Did you see a duck? Un pato?
That's pato, not gato.
With webbed feet.
Orange ones like most ducks?
I mean, unless you count the genus X or the common wood duck.
It's a duck. It looks like a duck.
Pato, not gato.
It's on the elevator, going down.
Thank you.
They're raising us with the duck, but I promise you we'll find Yo-Yo. Don't worry. Can you guys take the duck downstairs? Pets are not supposed to be in the apartment, remember?
But Maya, he won't let anyone hold him except you.
Oh, that's not true. You just have to hold him firmly and talk to him sweetly.
¿Dónde han estado? Any luck finding Yo-Yo?
No, not yet. Get him. So, how did the buñuelos turn out? Are you making something else? I really want to see.
Well, come on. I'll give you a taste.
Find that duck and get him out of here.
Buñuelos y albóndigas con salsa de tomate.
Meatballs. They look...
Hola, Miguel. ¿Qué haces?
Just, practicing some soccer moves, doing a duck walk. I mean, a luck walk. A good luck walk.
Ay, that boy. Too much soccer, maybe.
Huh?
While I'm here, I thought I'd fix everything that Senora Rosa called about. It was quite a list.
Well, let's start in the kitchen.
Forgot my toolbox.
I'm practicing my dance program. Watch. Shuffle, shuffle, step, step, step. Ooh. He must be practicing his juggling.
He's juggling? Sounds like he needs more practice.
Oh, yeah. He's not very good now, but just you wait.
Well, this faucet is fixed. Now, how about the baseboards in Miguel's room?
Oh, that's okay. Miguel's room is a mess. You don't want to go see that.
Please, no worries. I'm sure I've seen worse.
Miguel! We're coming to see your room!
Wow, you weren't kidding about the mess. Maybe I haven't seen worse.
Miguel, what happened here?
Just looking for something I lost. Don't worry, I'll clean up.
I heard about your juggling.
My what?
You're juggling? You're a great juggler? Here, show him, Miguel.
Baseboards seem okay. Now, how about that window?
Hey, was that Yo-Yo?
Yo-Yo? Where? Something ran into the courtyard.
Look at the rabbit!
But I want Bobo!
Senora Santos, did you see my cat in here?
No, Chrissy. Is he lost?
He wandered out the door before I could take him home. Now we can't find him anywhere.
We want Bobo! We want Bobo!
Hey, what are they shouting about?
The birthday boy's parents arranged for a clown who has a wonderful duck that does all kinds of tricks. But the duck is missing.
The duck!
You saw the duck? Where is it? If we find it, we can save the whole party. We just saw the duck 5 minutes ago. We'll go back and look for it, Senora Santos. We have to tell Maya and Miguel.
Maybe I should plane down the edge. What was that?
Maya! Miguel! Are you there? Over.
Excuse me. It's not a good time, Theo. The landlord's here and the duck's hiding in my closet.
Bring the duck down! And we found the owner!
I don't know if we can catch him.
Please, there's a mob of angry 7-year-olds here waiting for Bobo the circus duck. If you don't get him down here soon, who knows what they'll do?
Maggie, this is Maya. Just sit tight. The quacker is on his way. Repeat, the quacker is on his way.
Look at that! Good as new. Thank you, Senor Gutierrez. You've been a great help.
I could take another 1/8 of an inch.
Don't even think about it. You've done so much already.
But the bathroom tiles
The
and...
place sure looks great. If we ever need anything again, we'll be sure to call you.
But I was supposed to...
Maya, what are you doing? We need to thank Senor Gutierrez properly. Please, come into the kitchen and sample some of my special meatballs.
Oh, yes. They're delicious.
Sí, delicioso.
Wait, Miguel. Don't scare him. Come here, little duck. We just want to help you. Here's...
Yeah, we like to play a game called Hide and Quack.
Hide and quack?
I panicked.
Hide and quack. You kids have some imagination. Well, I think I've got everything now.
Did we mention that we also like to play pin the tail on the cat?
Cat! Gato! Gato! Cat! Pato! Duck!
Abuela, Señor Gutierrez, we have something to tell you.
You mean you weren't just playing hide and quack?
We can explain.
See, our friend Chrissy brought over her cat because she didn't know animals weren't allowed. And before she could leave, Yo-Yo ran off. We thought he ran outside, and while we were looking for her lost cat, we found this lost duck.
He was supposed to go to the birthday party downstairs, so we were just trying to return him.
We're sorry. We should have just told you all the truth.
Wait a minute. Birthday party? The party I set up in the courtyard? That boy was so excited about some duck that does tricks coming to his party. Come on, let's go.
Nice job, Bobo. Now through the loop, right here.
Duck has talent.
And look how happy the kids are. How happy everyone is.
See?
Everybody is back where they belong, and everything is back to normal.
See? Just another normal day with Maya.
And that's how one little letter cost us a whole day's work, but made for a whole lot of fun.